सप्लाई बिना चूके ये ओपन हो जाता है। और जब हम लोग का डस्टबिन फुल होता है ना, एग्जाम्पल ऑन बाय द इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी। थैंक यू।
more electricity, and it's a natural
Smart waste disposal. Smart waste disposal.
Okay. Is a trap the heat in the atmosphere to this chamber. It contains
For future use.
Again,
Wire loop game.
you have to with the help of pump and then जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट है वो हर एक घर में जाकर। गुड मॉर्निंग सर, माय नेम इज तारजन गारू एंड इबानिकम आशीषंगो तारिकम नवंतिकुम बटेंतातिन।
Okay. Now introduce about your project.
This is our project and the topic is so this is our project and the topic is hydroelectricity.
बोलो ये कैसे काम कर रहा है,
हिंदी
कैसे
से बोलिए सर, हिंदी से।
हाँ बोलो हिंदी से।
सर यह पंप है ना, ये पानी को खींचेगा, यहाँ से ऊपर रहेगा, पानी नीचे गिरेगा, ये टरबाइन में गिरेगा, फिर ये घूमेगा, घूमने का इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट होगा। फिर इसका जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट है वो हर एक घर में जाके डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाएगा, फिर बल्ब जलेगा।
Okay. Fine. That's all. Okay. Anything you want to ask me?
This is hydro project.
Yes sir, yes please.
With the pressure, the turbulence, the water will make this motor, this wind move.
And
Electricity will generate.
this is recyclable.
This water energy will be recyclable.
Yes please.
And it's providing the
Electricity.
community, the environment. And any idea about the greenery, the forest, the trees? What is how it is related? The greeneries, trees, and plantation, the environment. How it is related to your project? Anybody?
डिजाइन के लिए लगा है, डिजाइन के लिए।
The forest, the environment, the greeneries. This is all interrelated. If there is no forest, there are no greeneries, then the waterfall will be less, and the water level in the earth will be lower. Then there will be less water in the world. Then how will we get
Okay. So introduce your team.
Talar Kojum. My name is Talar Kojum and I am currently the captain of Group 2 and our group has made a project. The topic is wastewater treatment. In this project, we use natural substances to filter the water, but not for drinking. But the water will be usable. The pulled with the help of a pump, and then this first layer of stones, big stones, filter the big dirt particles, and after that small stones come in action. They also filter some parts. Every substance plays parts of their own. And क्या है? इसको मैं
What is the project name?
wastewater treatment.
Wastewater treatment. Wastewater
Treatment.
treatment. What is the process called? The process?
Filtration.
Filtration. What filtration?
Dirty water filtration.
I think this is slow sand filtration. Slow sand filtration. And what is the motor used here?
This is a water pump. We use
Water. So that the motor will push water with pressure. Okay.
Presented by Navam Dol, Tai Kakum and Navam Dadap. This is a smart dustbin. Smart dustbin allows us to make the usage of dustbin more hygienic by letting us not touch the lid. Sir, we can open the lid by just a swipe. Sir, and this function makes the usage of more hygienic, sir, by not letting us touch the lid, sir. And the sensor gives signals and the lid opens, sir. And kaya dustbin na lid. And when when the dustbin is full, sir. When the dustbin is full, so you can see the lights will full. Or dustbin, so you can see dustbin is full. So you can see when the dustbin is full, the LED light will be LED light will be turned red, sir. This allows us to make the usage of dustbin more hygienic and let us and it helps us to clean the dustbin timely, sir. That's all. So any questions?
What is the importance of creating a smart dustbin for the environment, for our daily lives?
Sir,
Importance?
important.
Any relation?
The smart dustbin makes our life easier by it takes some energy to open the lid and when we just swipe it and when the lid is closed, it also helps us to not spread the smell and any contamination. It helps us to.
Very good. If we don't dispose our waste, human waste, environmental waste properly, this will be a burden to the society, to the environment. बर्डन हो जाएगा अगर अच्छे से सही तरीके से डिस्पोज नहीं करेगा तो हमारे संस्कृति के लिए, हमारे इन्वायरमेंट के लिए ऑटोमेटिकली लॉन्ग रन में हमारे लिए एक बोझ होगा. दिस विल बी अ बर्डन टू अस फॉर द एनवायरनमेंट इटसेल्फ, फॉर एवरी लिविंग बीइंग on earth. So you created smart dustbin. Very good. Thank you.
Conductor of the electricity. It's a game. You may try, please. When this loop gets to the puppet, if it touches the wire, the electricity gets closed and the circuits get complete. And when the circuits get complete, you may play them. It indicates that players have been out. So if you wanted to play again, you have to reset it. It is to make science better and fun for the students, to support their views so they can be able to be a next generation better. This can indicate the electricity flows. Whenever these electricity wires connect, its buzzer gets on and the player gets eliminated. You may try, please. Please, you may try.
This is the project is
About the wire loop game.
wire loop game.
You have to close this wire pad using this loop. Wire
Okay.
loop. The loop. whenever it touches the wire, the buzzer will on, and it indicates that the player has been out. Every teammate has done our work. Like I make these all wires, designing, and he do the pens and sticks and every single pieces. And he was the one who gave idea.
What is this?
It is our first model. We take idea from here.
This is factory.
No.
This is what?
Oh, no sir, no miss. We take idea from it.
Okay.
It was our first. He saw
This is mini model.
Yes, it is mini model.
This is your real model.
Yes.
Okay.
You may try this.
Yes, yes.
Without touching, you should end here, then you will win the game.
Okay, without touching.
Yeah, without touching this, you should take this one till here. If you touch, the buzzer will start.
Okay.
So you are eliminated.
Okay. Without touching.
Yeah,
But that is not possible, na?
it's possible. It happens.
It's possible without touching. But it's very difficult and way more difficult.
Very difficult. It's not possible. Because the loop is very narrow, na?
No, it is a challenge.
Talent.
It is a challenge for the player. It is the real challenge for player. You may research. It is a challenge for a player to complete this loop. A pet.
Okay. Talent. Skill. Okay, very good. Group 4. Tokotaya.
Yes.
Very good.
Takot, Abhinav.
And windmill.
So my name is Sanam Dayo, and we made a solar cooker which is used for warming water and cooking. So it is a small model of solar cooker and solar power plants. So these are used in factories and homes, but they are in large models. So this is a small model, so we made it by glass, and so we use a curved mirror. So we made a curved mirror, and then we put a sunlight sensor. So it changes the sunlight and move its direction towards the sunlight. Yes, sir. Then there is a focal point where the sunlight is reflected, sir. Here the heat is concentrated, so sir, if we put here something, sir, it will start cooking or warming, sir. So,
How does this work?
sir, the mirrors around it, sir, concentrate heat on this point, sir. This is called focal point. Yes, sir. If there will put any tiny object like water container, sir, it will start warming, sir, boiling. So it is small model, sir. Factories, industries use power plant and power cooker, sir. They use solar energy to cook and warming water.
You are assuming the reflection, the light energy,
Yes, miss.
which will be reflecting from this mirror.
Yes, miss.
And it will concentrate here.
Yes,
What is
ma'am.
this metal for?
It is called focal point, miss. Here the
Okay. The shape of the mirror will
yes.
create a focal point here.
Yes, miss. Here the heat will concentrated, so the temperature will be increased, so the object here will start increasing.
Boiling.
Temperature increase.
Here.
Yes, miss.
Want to show the power of mirror
Yes,
in
ma'am.
converting the light energy into heat energy.
Solar energy, sunlight,
Okay,
uses
energy
of
into
sunlight.
heat energy.
Yes, miss.
Thank you.
Thank you, miss.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sanchita Joshi. My name is My name is Now we are going to present our working. Now we are going to present our working model of rainwater harvester. As we all know, water is one of the most precious resources on earth. We need it for cleaning, cooking, drinking, and much more. But with growing population and pollution, water scarcity is becoming a big problem. To solve this issue, we can use a simple and effective method called rainwater harvesting. The aim of our model. The main aim of our model is to show that how rainwater can be collected and stored for future use. With a simple how it works.
I think this is the roof.
Yeah. Rain.
Okay.
काम कर रहे थे
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I am Tanchu Meaning. These are my teammates, Amani Srivastav, Rahim Tali, Phil Srivastav, Koiba. And this is our project. We call it the Green Chimney. Before telling about our project, I would like to briefly tell you about the greenhouse gases and global warming. Greenhouse gases are gases that trap the heat in the atmosphere and like CO2 and many other gases. And if these gases increases, the Earth will become warmer, and this is called global warming. Global warming causes melting ice, rising sea levels, and changing weather. So this is a wood like
Light. Chimney.
This is a chimney. It takes the gas to this chamber. It contains a solution called calcium hydroxide, which mixes with the gas, greenhouse gas, carbon dioxide. Here, atomizer creates bubbles, and when the bubbles pops, the remaining gases goes to this chamber, and this fan takes it in the atmosphere.
Is it working?
Yes.
Is it absorbing the
Yes.
working? This will require electrical energy. This will require electrical energy. Okay, thank you. Electrical energy नहीं चाहिए ये. And this is what? Carbon dioxide water.
Calcium hydroxide which absorbs calcium hydroxide which absorbs the carbon dioxide.
Thank you. Singpa. Hello children. Explanation over here. First of all, tell me the model name.
So this is a good morning. First of all, good morning to this is a smart waste disposal.
Smart
waste disposal.
Okay, smart waste disposal.
Air purifier and electric producer. So how this works? So this works this is a flame chamber in which we can throw garbage, then we can light the garbage up. And after lighting,
This is your bin.
no ma'am, this is a chamber in which we can
burn fire in this. So
Okay, okay. Fire, huh?
then if we throw garbage in this, the flames will release smoke. The released smoke will go through this fan, and this fan would be pushed by the smoke. After which, this fan would produce electricity just like a windmill, and then the electricity will go to this powerhouse, and we can use it. After going through the fan, the smoke will rise up and go through this chemical, and this chemical will absorb all the.
I would like to greet you. Good morning. I am Johnson Gehi, and it's my friend.
I'm the Sharma of class 8. Okay, hello.
My name is
Okay, beta. Chalo.
and our model name is Earth Tube Cooling System.
Very good.
Increasing of global warming. Increasing of global warming are increasing of global warming point is that as we take much money and consume more electricity, and it's a natural and very eco-friendly method where air are intake from this intense and the air transfer to this ground, and in the ground this air, because the land temperature is less than the normal room temperature, that's why it will get cold, and it will, because under is a fan, computer fan, and it will pull air towards it, and it will give us air.
Inside this cuboid box, you have a computer fan.
Yes,
This is above the earth or under the earth?
under the earth. You can check it by put your hands under.
We can put our hands.
Yes, it's cooling. And this will be transmitted through
Earth tubes.
through the earth.
Earth tubes, where we make a pipeline inside the soil.
Acha, the computer fan is inside. This is your house chamber, and this is the earth tubes inside the earth that will help us in fighting against global warming. Very good. It's a very simple project, and your understanding is clear. Very good. Yes, rainwater.
Sir.
Principal sir, you question the girls. Water.
So what are the uses of this rainwater? Why do we need harvest the rainwater? Okay. Very good morning. Okay, let's go.
इस पे आग जलाता है। ये चेम्बर एक फ्लेम चेम्बर है, तो इस पे जितना भी कचरा होगा सब इसका अंदर डालेगा और इसको अंदर जला देगा। फिर यहाँ से स्मोक जो राइज अप होगा, और ये पेन को जैसे कि विंड में का डिज़ाइन होते है, ऐसे ही सेम डिज़ाइन ये पेन को भी देगा। तो ये पेन क्या करेगा, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस करेगा स्मोक का वजह से। फिर ये इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जाएगा पावर हाउस पे, फिर उसके बाकी का जितना भी गंदा स्मोक है एक फिल्टर का, एक केमिकल फिल्टर से पास थ्रू होगा, जो जितना भी ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस से एमिट हुआ है उस सबको ख़त्म कर देगा। फिर यहाँ से प्योर एयर रिलीज हो जाएगा।
Ma'am, as part of our Children's Day celebration, we have tried to exhibit the students' knowledge based on the scientific methods, how it is useful to our present scenario. So many development has come, but many times the development has never kept in mind the importance of sustainability, which impacts the environment. So after inspecting today's project, what is your opinion?
Today, on this Children's Day, the students of Lekki Public School has displayed science exhibition models. It was very, very relevant, and the students were aware of the environmental hazards. About they have created models of smart dustbin and how to convert one energy from the another energy. Like they were showcasing the models of wind energy, hydropower energy, electrical energy, and about global warming, how to prevent global warming by showing in their small smart model. I really liked it, and the students of Lekki Public School were really smart and very intelligent enough to showcase their science models today with the help of their science teacher and guidance, under the guidance of able and learned teachers of Lekki Public School. I was really impressed, and all the best, Principal Sir, for such a creative work and such a creative activities. I wish you more such success and more such endeavors in near future. Thank you.
Thank you very much.